Hi, my name is Nurul Farhan Yashikin binti Muhammad Azman. My register number is 06DK20F1061. Today, I will be presenting about the assignment which cover the topic 7, 8 and 9. Introduction. Background. Roads began as a way of connecting interesting locations, cities, forts, and geographical features such as river roads. Where roads meet outside existing settlements, these intersections often lead to new settlements or find at toll intersections. Junctions take the name of a well-known nearby business or place of interest. As the density of the road network increases and the flow of traffic follows it, managing the flow of traffic across intersections becomes increasingly important to minimize delays and improve safety. The first innovation was to add traffic control devices such as stop signs and CCTV that control the flow of traffic. Next is lane control that limits what each traffic lane is allowed to do while crossing. Turning across oncoming traffic may be prohibited or allowed only when oncoming and passing traffic is stopped. This is followed by a specialist intersection design that incorporates information about traffic volume, speed, driver intent, and many other factors. Problem statement. The intersection combines several roads and opposite directions of traffic, causing the movement of vehicles in one direction to be relatively slow despite the presence of traffic lights. In addition, road design conditions that only load one vehicle can also contribute to long traffic congestion at a time. So to improve road safety, we need to design and build effective intersection design and traffic management to correct the problem. Objective. First is to determine the traffic volume and types at unsignalized cross junction. Second is to design a two-phase traffic light controlled junction. Third is to propose appropriate traffic management techniques at the cross junction. Limitation. Roads in our country have intersections that allow vehicles to move from various directions. But intersections like a T-junction, the Y-junction and the middle block have become problems and conflicts. To ensure no problems at intersections, we need to know traffic rules and management. As road users, we cannot expect traffic police to observe and control the road at every intersection.
Hi and good evening, my name is Nuraina Batizana. My number register is 0CDK20F1060. I will continue with the literature view. First, road accident and traffic management. Traffic accident contribute to any loss of lives and property and loss of service. It occurs when a vehicle collides with another vehicle or objects. Some factors were established leading to injuries and even related accidents that can be avoided or minimized by employing appropriate measures. This damage resulted from the cost of recovery and reduced productivity. The traffic management system for this analysis was based on a compilation of previous studies, and it will index the following crucial areas. First, traffic accident and their factors, and second, safety models. Some of the gaps to be addressed includes: first, unavailability of data for essential factor. Second, variation of the parameter used. Third, complexity of the method used. Traffic management refers to the combination of measures that serve to preserve traffic capacity and improve the security, safety, and reliability of the overall road transport system. It is including pedestrian, bicycles, and all types of vehicles. Its aim is to provide for the safe, orderly, and efficient movement of persons and goods, and to protect and, where possible, enhance the quality of the local environments on and adjacent to traffic facilities. This measure make use of ITS system, service and projects in day-to-day operation that impact on road network performance. Second type of conflict at cross junction: car accidents, motorcyclist accident, bicyclist accident, lorries accident, bus accidents and van accidents. Third, technique reducing conflict at cross junction. Technique to reduce conflict point. Which method is better? In this case, the use of traffic signal and the use of channeling is advisable because it is useful to control the traffic to a certain extent. If it become heavy, then diverting may be another option that is not easy. Fourth, traffic control device at cross junction. First, traffic control device are sign, signal, pavement signs and other devices placed along highway and roads to move vehicles and pedestrians safely and efficiently. These devices are placed at key locations to guide traffic movement, control vehicle speed and warn of potentially dangerous situations. What are the traffic control tools? Traffic control device direct, guide and inform driver by offering visual or tactical indicator. Devices are divided into four main categories. First, sign, signals, road design and making, and lastly, barriers or conduits. What is the importance of traffic control device? Traffic control can be used to address the movement and developments of cars and other transportation frameworks. Without traffic control, this vehicle will not be able to move from one place to another easily. When that happens, accident inevitably happens. 5. Road user safety at junction. First, what is road? A road is a long piece of hard ground built between two places so that people can drive or ride easily. Traffic is the movement of people and vehicles from one location to another. Second, what are road users? Road users include both drivers as well as pedestrians and cyclists. The so-called vulnerable road users. Their behavior is the area with by far the biggest potential for improving road safety. Next, road user safety. Road traffic safety refers to the methods and measures used to prevent road users from being killed or seriously injured. Typical road users include pedestrians, cyclists, motorists, vehicle passengers, horse riders, and passengers of on-road public transport, mainly bus and train. The basic strategy of a safe system approach is sidewalks, curb, and traffic signals. Lastly is conclusion and recommendation. First, a new intersection design. Based on a study conducted by the Washington State Department of Transportation, roundabouts are safer than traditional traffic control boards or traffic signal controls. While at the roundabout, the driver will slow down the vehicle. In addition, the roundabout makes the driver slow down because there is no light to beat. Recommendation. Impact on the environment since vehicles are not required to stop at roundabout. Idle time and stop and start movement can be reduced when compared to traditional intersections. With change in vehicle operating pattern, intersection users will experience the effects of reduced noise and air qualities as well as reduced fuel consumption. Second, icon area of value aesthetics. Each roundabout will be decorated with various edges, and icons of their respective areas. This can also one of the attraction for a district or town. The main island and divider islands provide landscaping opportunities as well as serve as unique road features that can be used as landmark or gateway for a region or neighborhoods. Traffic management techniques at the cross junction. First, site visitor might mention at the past junction due to the fact when cars on a facet street arrive on the intersection, a sensor will discover it and cycle the lighting to permit site visitors at the facet street to skip through. So with these visitors management strategies can reduce conflicts and accident on the move junction. The second is traffic silence and channelization marking at the go junction because motors will work what lanes need to pick out, and with this traffic management method can lessen conflicts and coincidence on the go junction.
Next is maintenance at intersection. An intersection is an at-grade junction where two or more roads converge, diverge, meet or cross. Major intersections are often delineated by GORs and may be classified by road segments, traffic controls, and lane design. Intersection is an area shared by two or more roads. This area is designed for the vehicles to turn to different directions to reach their desired destinations. Its main function is to guide vehicles to their respective directions. Traffic intersections are complex locations on any highway. The most common strategies include improving signal timing, removing elements that hinder sight distance, making drivers aware that they are approaching an intersection, and improving bicycle or pedestrian facilities at the intersection. One of the most practical ways to make intersections more predictable is to install street traffic lights. While these lights can be conventional safety lights, there are several models that allow traffic control officials to install sensors on lights to change timing and improve the security of the area. Taking a safe system approach means proactively designing the roadway or intersection features in a way that anticipates human errors and reduces risk of severe injury or death due to a crash. A safe system approach to intersection design can include strategies such as minimizing and modifying conflict points. We have to preventing an accident. Always check for cars twice at a stop sign before pulling into an intersection. Secondly, beware of vehicles that may run the red light. Third, watch for pedestrians in the crosswalk before entering an intersection. Finally, always signal appropriately.